Here we have to differentiate the function natural log of tangent inverse of x. So first we have to differentiate the natural log function. So we know the derivative of natural log of x, that's simply 1 over x. So that means derivative of log of tangent inverse of x will give us 1 over. So this will be simply tangent inverse of multiplied to derivative of tangent inverse of x. So here what we have done, we have applied the chain rule. Now we know that derivative of the inverse tangent function, so that's given by 1 over 1 plus x squared. So we have 1 over tangent inverse of x times derivative of the inverse tangent function will be 1 over 1 plus x squared. So our final answer is going to be 1 divided by, we have tangent inverse of x, so that's multiplied to 1 plus x squared. So this is the derivative of the given function.